Want to share a thought, question, or link on Reddit from your phone? Creating a post on Reddit Mobile is easy once you know the steps. Here's a quick guide. First, open the Reddit app and log in. Navigate to the subreddit where you want to post. Subreddits are communities based on topics, so choose one relevant to your content. Tap the Create Post button, usually at the bottom center of the screen. Next, choose your post type. You can select text to write a message, image/video to upload media, or link if you want to share a website. Enter a descriptive title. This is crucial because it's the first thing users will see. A clear, attention-grabbing title increases engagement. If you're posting text, write your content in the body section. Use paragraphs, bullet points, or formatting to make it readable. For media posts, upload your images or video and add captions if needed. Once everything looks good, check subreddit rules. Most communities have specific posting guidelines. Violating rules can lead to your post being removed. Before publishing, you can add Flair if the subreddit allows it. Flair helps categorize your post, making it easier for others to find. When ready, tap Post, and your submission will go live. You can edit or delete it later if needed. Most people get this wrong by posting the same content in multiple subreddits without checking rules. Each subreddit has its own community standards, and following them ensures your post stays visible. In conclusion, creating a Reddit post on mobile is simple. Choose the right subreddit, pick your post type, write a clear title, follow rules, and publish. With a little care, your content will reach the right audience and spark meaningful engagement. Subscribe for more Reddit tips and mobile posting guides to help you navigate the platform effectively.